while you're eating a strawberry or drinking tea, why not select the one that's most potent for preventing cancer?
Dr. William Li, a renowned physician, scientist, and writer, has done a lot of research on how what we eat affects our health. He focuses a lot on angiogenesis, the process where new blood vessels form, which is important in how tumors grow and spread. Dr. Li is known for advocating the consumption of foods that can inhibit angiogenesis as a means of preventing and treating cancer. He is also the author of the book Eat to Beat Disease, which explores how certain foods can help fight illness and promote health.
Actually, there are certain foods you can eat that actually can help you fight cancer.
In today's video, we've gathered Dr. William Li's teachings from over the years to focus on how food acts as medicine for our bodies, helping protect us from diseases like cancer. We'll share the amazing benefits of 5 fruits recommended by Dr. William Li that can fight cancer and help burn fat. With cancer cases on the rise, Dr. Li explains which fruit can help cancer patients and reduce unhealthy body fat.
Pears almost any time of the year. And the reason pears are so great are the fact that they've got chlorogenic acid, which is a bioactive, also found in apples, that can actually activate your metabolism and help you burn down harmful body fat. And chlorogenic acid is also anti-angiogenic, means it actually stops blood vessels from growing to tumors. Pretty cool. One of the things that
Sweet, juicy, and oh so satisfying, pears are not just a delightful snack, but also a valuable ally in the fight against cancer. Their natural sweetness makes them a treat that can also help curb sugar cravings. Pears are packed with fiber and antioxidants. The fiber aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for weight management. Antioxidants in pears contribute to reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of developing colorectal cancer by protecting cells from damage. Dr. William Li underscores the significance of foods that support our body's natural defenses against diseases. He believes that foods rich in fiber and antioxidants like pears play a crucial role in this. Dr. Li's research aligns with the benefits of pears, emphasizing how such foods can help inhibit angiogenesis, which tumors use to grow. By including pears in your diet, you're following Dr. Li's guidance on using food as a powerful tool in preventing cancer and supporting overall health. You might be surprised to learn that this juicy red fruit is more than just a tasty addition to your salads and sandwiches. Tomatoes are a versatile ingredient that adds flavor and nutrition to many dishes.
Tomatoes, one of my favorites, contain a bioactive called lycopene that's been shown to improve your circulation, lower the risk of prostate cancer and breast cancer, and also improves your metabolism by burning away harmful body fat.
Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant with research showing it may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly prostate cancer. Studies have found that lycopene can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent tumors from developing. Additionally, tomatoes are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great option for weight management. Research has also shown that lycopene in tomatoes can help protect your skin from sun damage. Lycopene helps reduce the risk of sunburn and damage caused by UV rays, acting as an internal sunscreen by neutralizing free radicals generated by sun exposure.
lycopene protects your DNA against the sun damage, and you can actually eat tomatoes in order to be able to protect yourself and protect you from the inside out from sun damage coming from the outside.
Kiwi, with its vibrant green color and tangy flavor, is more than just a delicious tropical fruit. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can enhance your diet in numerous ways. Dr. William Li emphasizes the role of antioxidants in cancer prevention and overall health. He suggests that foods like kiwi play a key role in protecting the body from cellular damage and boosting the immune system. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C and E, both powerful antioxidants that help protect your body from oxidative stress and support immune function. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which maintains healthy skin and supports overall immune health. Kiwi also contains dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Additionally, its high levels of antioxidants help reduce inflammation and may lower the risk of certain cancers. Research indicates that kiwi can also support heart health by reducing blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. The antioxidants and fiber in kiwi contribute to cardiovascular health and help protect against heart disease. And one clinical study has shown that consuming kiwis for 4 days consecutively improves the gut microbiome, especially the growth of lactic acid bacteria. Dr. William Li recommends incorporating strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries into your diet, as these colorful fruits are nutritional powerhouses. Their vibrant hues not only make them a visually appealing addition to any meal, but also indicate their rich antioxidant content.
SIBOs, meaning that if you are having a healthy lifestyle with exercise, reducing your calories, adding blueberries, even frozen blueberries,
would actually help you lose more weight.
Berries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins and resveratrol. These compounds help protect cells from damage and may lower the risk of cancer. Anthocyanins, found in blueberries and blackberries, reduce inflammation and fight oxidative stress, while resveratrol in strawberries has been linked to inhibiting cancer cell growth. Additionally, berries are naturally sweet and low in calories, making them a great option for those looking to manage their weight while enjoying a healthy treat. Dr. William Lai emphasizes the role of antioxidants in supporting overall health and preventing disease. He highlights that including antioxidant-rich foods like berries in your diet is a powerful way to boost your body's defenses and reduce cancer risk. By adding a variety of berries to your diet, Dr. William Li highlights the benefits of pomegranate juice, noting its powerful role in promoting health. This vibrant, ruby red juice isn't just a refreshing drink, but also a potent source of antioxidants. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants, including punicolagens and anthocyanins, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer. Research has shown that pomegranate juice may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in prostate and breast cancers. Additionally, it supports heart health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. Dr. William Lai emphasizes that incorporating antioxidant-rich foods and beverages like pomegranate juice into your diet is crucial for reducing cancer risk and supporting overall well-being. The antioxidants in this juice help inhibit angiogenesis, the process through which tumors grow and spread. By including pomegranate juice in your diet, you're aligning with Dr. Li's approach to using food and beverages as powerful tools to boost your health and potentially reduce cancer risk. Including them in your daily diet not only satisfies your taste buds, but also provides a natural and delicious boost to your overall well-being.so, whether you're blending them into smoothies, adding them to salads, or just enjoying them as a snack. These fruits can become your secret allies in maintaining a healthy body and mind. Remember, making small, mindful choices in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your health.